nazarasfinecrafts, and I have an unboxing of some Lovecraft yarns, Paintbox specifically. It's all the same kind of yarn, and I already opened the box because I like to see kind of what I got before I go on camera, just to make sure that the order's right. But to my surprise, and I have done this before with Lovecrafts, so when you order their Paintbox yarns, whether it's cotton yarn, acrylic, I believe their wool yarn is also the same. They look very similar as the description picture on the page. So if you're ever ordering from them, make sure you look at the wording description before you order it. I thought I had, specifically because they were having a really good sale. This is about a week ago, and I wanted to get some more of the acrylic Aran yarn and some colors that I only have a few skeins so that I can keep working on my projects. So I had ordered them, and I think it was individual packs, and then I saw that it was an even bigger deal if you ordered it in the 10 packs, and I was like, I can do that. That's great. So I had specifically made sure that it was the acrylic yarn when I had the single ones, but I was so excited about the 10 pack deal that I guess I just clicked on one, and it was cotton. I can use the cotton. I'm not mad. My mistake. So I'm not mad at it or anything. I've already used some of it, but this will give you a good coloring, general idea of the coloring. But if this gives you an idea, this is what I wanted to order. This is what I got. So I cannot use these for the projects I was going to use these on, but it's okay. I am not mad. So I got quite a few colors. This is mustard yellow in the Paintbox Cotton Aran. It is 50 grams or 1.7 ounces, 85 meters or 93 yards. It's 100% cotton, which I love this. This cotton yarn is so soft. It works really good for towel toppers and things like that. Even outfits. It's soft and light. So if you make outfits and you're in a warmer area, then these are great for just a light cotton like shirt or something like that. So uses a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook or knitting needles. It is machine washable. Do not tumble dry. You can use a medium iron on it, and it is dry cleanable. Do not bleach. So yeah, so that's the mustard yellow. I got a 10 pack of those. Those are the ones I broke into already, so I only have 6 left. And then I got soft fudge. Let's see if I can get into that so you can see the color better. I hate the plastic reflects everything. So that's soft fudge. It's just a light, or a kind of a darker tan, light brown. Sorry about the bag noise. And then, of course, I got paper white. Then there's coffee bean. So I had gotten the coffee bean, the soft fudge. Is that what it was called? I forgot. Yeah, soft fudge, and the mustard yellow because I wanted to do a monkey rug holding a banana, because monkeys are just cute. But now that I got cotton instead of the acrylic, I do make what are they? Bath mitts in the animal shapes that go over your hands, kind of like a bath puppet. So I think I might do some monkey bath puppets in that cotton yarn. And then Pillar Red, which is a staple in my yarn collection. You think with all the reds that I show, I'd have a lot of reds, but no, in my thing, I have lots of blues and lots of greens. So I got those 5 different colors by Lovecrafts. I love Lovecraft yarns. If I just didn't get myself confused all the time, it'd be okay. But I do. So, total on this with shipping, which the shipping was only, I think, 20 cents. Because it was one of those 20 deals, or 220 20 deals, something like that. But I paid $62 for 50 skeins of yarn, which isn't bad when you add it up. So, and then of course I got to use my 20% off coupon that they send you when you, on your invoice, when you order from Lovecrafts. So I'll leave a link below. I am not affiliated, so this video is not sponsored. This is where I get my yarn, usually. So, if you like this kind of video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I do have a little bit of a announcement for the January giveaway. Heidi Macedo was the winner, and I have not gotten a message from her. So I'm going to announce it one more time when I announce the February giveaway winner, and then after that I will give you I'll give her a week to respond, because I've already given her a month. Or I'll be already giving her a month. But if you're doing my giveaway videos, I will give you 2 weeks to respond, and I will reiterate this again when I do announce the winner. But I'll give you 2 weeks to respond. If not, I will draw again, because this yarn is still sitting here, and I had so many people enter that giveaway that I would love to be able to send it out. So Heidi, get a hold of me. Go back to the giveaway winner announcement for January, and my email's under there for you. But I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.